A wig, guys. So if you want to see the details for how I installed this 20-inch wig or what the hairdresser had to say about it, stay tuned to this video. Okay, so at this point I have no hair, and Kim is teaching me how to install this wig myself after she does the initial install, and she is now fitting the wig to the shape of my head to ensure that, you know, when she does the initial install and she trims off the excess lace, we have no problems after she does it. Yay, so we are at customization point. She is using concealer to match the color of the lace to the color of my skin, so we have that really nice flawless finish. And of course here she is trimming off any excess lace as she recreates like a new hairline for me. Yes, trim. Okay, so she is just ensuring that we're looking all good and proper at the front. And now she is doing more or less the same thing at the back and ensuring that the back is properly secured so I can flip this hair back and forth without my hair or my wig flying off. Alright, so more on customization. She is giving me that baby hair effect to the front of the wig, and I actually really liked this. It made the wig very wearable even after the first install. I quite like this. Alright, so every girl who wears wigs know about this part. She's more or less marrying the front of this lace front wig to my face while she flat irons my hair. I remember at this point thinking that I look very much like my 23-year-old self when I used to have my hair relaxed, and I also used to wear a lot of clip-ins and do like little weaves to the center of my hair just to give my hair some body and length. That is not the point of this video though. The point of this video is this hair is looking beautiful. Look at that shine. It really is a gorgeous wig. Like, I remember thinking, wow. Okay, so you should know that oh right, another thing, she is using some mousse to really marry the front of this wig to my face. Okay, so you guys should probably know that before I installed this wig, I dropped off this wig by Kim to have it bleached, the roots that is, and to have the front of the hair plucked, just to give it that very realistic look. Kim is going to talk about all of that in the end of this video, but my reviews on this wig so far is that it is gorgeous. I remember at this point feeling myself and thinking, who's this girl? I am this girl. Yes, I'm this girl. Can you? Yeah, I was really having fun with it. Yes, Toms. Yes. And Kim is more or less putting in the final touches and making sure that I am good to go and leave her salon looking fabulous. And again, just the blow dry to make sure everything is nice and sealed and secured to my face, because this is a glueless install. She's blow drying, and we're good. I am feeling myself. I'm all done. I'm very happy. I'm in love with this wig. I personally think that it kind of looks like my hair. Like, I will get take. I love it. I really love how this wig sits on my head and complements my face. The movement of this hair is also pretty beautiful. Like, I think that it gives you that very like black hair that's been blown out look, and it really is gorgeous. Like, look at how it moves in this video. It looks a lot like what my hair used to look like when it was just relaxed. It really does give you that beautiful feel. The lace really does look like my skin. Altogether, that I'm very happy with this install process, and I'm very happy with this wig. I'm gonna link the details below.
I love it. I love the texture of it. I really, really love the texture of it. When I did the customization process,
Right.
I found that bleaching the knots was very easy. Normally, I would have had wigs that you're bleaching the knots and it's taken like hours, or like it's very long. And you won't get that natural, really natural. Just zoom in here. That natural look. You know, it would be very hard to accomplish. Plucking the hair too was very easy. I worked with wigs before you're plucking, and it's first of all the hairline was it needed customization, it needed plucking, but it wasn't very heavy to look like a mallet, to look very unrealistic. Right. And even to achieve a realistic look on the wig was very easy to accomplish. I love the texture, I love how soft it is. Even though it looks coarse, it's actually very soft. The lace is nice and pliable, it's not too thick, which I like. And I don't always feel this way about other people's wigs. Like, listen, because what I love about it is that it just made the process of making it look natural very easy. Alright?
I think what I like about it is that it's soft, because I had it on for 2 minutes and it felt, I was just there feeling myself, you know.
And the good thing about it too, I didn't even get much shedding or anything
with it.
Yeah. Which I like.
Alright guys, so that's it for the hairdresser's review. I want to take this opportunity to really thank Nubia's Box for giving me the opportunity to review this wig. It really is beautiful. It is something that I would absolutely recommend to someone who is looking for just an amazing addition to their wig collection, or if they're just someone like myself who's just looking for really amazing wig that they can wear and style themselves, and really, you know, if I'm looking to switch things up. I'm gonna link all the details for Kim and the Nubia's Box below. And of course, let me know if you have any questions. I hope you guys are staying safe. Bye guys!